Do you have a bunch of oils that you want to diffuse, but not enough diffusers for every room in your house? Today, we are going to learn how to take simple things found in your home and turn them into diffusers. Hello, my name is Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials. My goal is to teach people multiple ways to use their essential oils to support their health and wellness journey using simple DIYs. One of the simplest things to use as a diffuser is your body. We all have one. So you can take an oil, drop it in your hands, put a drop or two in your hands, rub it together, bring it up to your face. Oh, and smell the goodness. Now we've got all this extra oil on our hands. We don't want to waste that. So then we can rub it on the back of our neck, in our hair. Your hair can be a wonderful diffuser. You can even rub it on your clothes. Now I know you're saying oil stains, not essential oils because they're volatile chemicals. And if you're using a pure essential oil, it all evaporates. So that is one way to use essential oils, is put them on your body or your clothing. Next, we have a simple wooden clothespin. Wood is wonderful as it absorbs oil. So you can take and just add a drop or two of oil to your clothespin, clip it where you like. This works really well in for a car vent. Just clip it to the vent and the air blowing by it will fill your car with wonderful scents. If you are crafty and want to get creative and have some little pom-poms or some felt around, you can add little pom-poms. Any type of fabric will absorb the scent also. So you could add little eyes and antennas and make a caterpillar. You can cut a flower out, whatever, just to, if you like it more decorative. Take a small bowl of Himalayan pink salt. Coarser is better. Pick an oil that you really like. It can be any oil that you want your house to smell like. This is Citrus Bliss. It's a combination of citrus oils and vanilla. And we're going to add a couple drops. And we will just stir it around. And voila, you have a diffuser. You can make the bowl as pretty as you want. You can make it a jar in which you can put a lid on it, and so the scent stays, and you just open it when you want. You can be as creative as you like. Most people have a handkerchief or a headband or a scarf in their homes. These make great diffusers. You can add any essential oil and tie them on you however you like, that way, make a headband out of it, whatever, and you have a little diffuser so you can smell the lovely essential oils. I tend to use this for a bug repellent, and I use the TerraShield outdoor blend from doTERRA. Just use a couple spritz. You don't have to cover your whole body or the whole scarf or saturate it, and then tie it on me, and I'm not bothered by bugs. The bathroom can be a rather smelly place, and that's not a pleasant smell. So we can take the normal toilet paper roll, add a drop of oil to the cardboard in the middle, put it back on the dispenser, and voila! Fresh fragrances coming every time you take some toilet paper. Great alternative to the other. Stuffed animals make a great carrier for essential oils. You can just take and drop a drop of oil on them, and try to get it on the animal instead of you. And there you've got a lovely little diffuser. So this is great to put calming oils like doTERRA Serenity or lavender, cedarwood, vetiver. Those are nice oils that are calming. And then the child, if they sleep with this toy, then they can just bring it right up close to them, and they've got a lovely calming diffuser to keep close to them. You can add drops of essential oil to a little strips of cloth on a fan and fill your house with a lovely fragrance using that. Lighter weight fabrics will work better as far as flapping, but the oil will still go out through the room. Ah, yes. Facial tissues are another great diffuser. They are readily available. At a drop here, you can place these anywhere you want, next to your pillow, stuff them by a couch. The other thing you can do is to tear off a little piece, add a drop of oil and drop it on your carpet. Use your vacuum cleaner to vacuum it up and fill your room with lovely smells. Here we have just your basic cotton ball. Cotton is wonderful for absorbing scents. Just add a drop of oil and you can just set them around the room. We actually use these in the hospital when the room's got a little fragrant. Add a drop of peppermint oil, place them strategically around the room, and the whole room is filled with a lovely fragrance instead of something that's not so pleasant. You can use these in the car, just pinch them, stick them in a vent. You can put them by a fan. You can put them by your pillow. You can put them by in floor vents. Be creative. Add some rice. It can be any kind of rice to the container of your choice. Add a little bit of essential oil. Stir it up and place it where you would like the fragrance. It will last for several days. You can refresh it as you like, and you have a little mini diffuser. There you have 10 different items in your home that you can turn into an essential oil diffuser. If you found value in this, click subscribe. We're going to be making lots more videos about how to use essential oils in DIY projects throughout your home. And comment below if there's something specific that you would like me to make a video about. Thanks for joining me.